This tutorial is different from the previous one because we are going to draft it in actual CAD program. Don't worry if you never heard about FreeCAD or only heard bad things. You don't need to understand it or know it. Just follow what I say and you should be good. Otherwise, complain in the comments. So locate this list somewhere and find part. Use this icon to create a cone or part primitives cone. Click it and then find this list with model on it. It should be somewhere on the left in the bottom. We are after these two radii, one of them and this height. One of them is our finished color height in millimeters, and this one is the neckline. We measured it to be 62 centimeters, and then we want to find a radius here, so I divided to 2 multiplied by pi. Calculate it. And if we want to save our formula, we can do it here, and it's a bit more verbose. This way you'll have this formula, actual formula saved, so if you want to modify your measurements, you can do it here without retyping. If we are smart here, we can add both sim allowance and hem allowance right into this calculation, so we'll get a cylinder that already comes with more height for the sim allowances. But then, if you want hem allowance for the fastener, we'll have to add this into our initial circumferences to have hem allowances already in. This way we won't need to do anything in Inkscape at all. Then we switch to meshes, and click it, unwrap face. You should could click this one, but we need this one long face, so click it and unwrap face, and then wait. Okay, this is the part that we actually want. We can remove the cone, and with our shape we'll go to File, Export. Yes, select it first. File, Export, and name it somehow. Inkscape asks me questions and can safely ignore it. And this is our color, and we actually want to turn it right side up, so it will be along the grain line. So for now I'll turn it some sort of right way, maybe it's even right. We pull a guide, so one of the corners, and then we'll move rotation center to that corner, and when we pull the opposite corner, it will snap automatically, and now it's with the grain line going upwards, just like we wanted.